Hi folks, tour the Wheelhouse of Tobis is coming up. If you like the video, please and subscribe. Starting from the aft of the Wheelhouse, we have all the controls to take the nets and bow thruster, maneuvering, rudder control, autopilot, and then for the different winches. And over here we have the control panel for the auto trawler system. This is from Pentagon. And a couple of screens up here with the cameras for the, what do you call it, the sweep winches or something like that. Then we have the computer for the daily catch. We are reporting at least one time a day. And here we have the morale system, how much we have, and then one of the important pieces of the equipment here, the camera, and some more camera and drones and stuff over there, printer, and some communication. Although we hardly use that anymore because today it's all about the internet messenger if you want to know something, or the satellite telephone. And here we have the alarm panel, how to switch on and off the deck lights, navigation lights, level in the different tanks, alarms, so on. This is the Tectis it's called, but it's for Norwegian boats it's you have to have two systems of this if you want to avoid having old paper maps. So we have that. Here we have Olex plotter. The different colors represents different depths. And then we have a Sodena plotter. As you maybe can see right now, we are towing on top of a gas pipe. And up here we have this is how much fuel we use, and the control panel or info panel for the main engine. Temperature in the fish room 1.5 degrees right now. And view over the engine. And then one of the things that I'm very impressed of on this boat is the Pentagon trawl auto trawl system. We are towing a single rockhopper trawl right now, so only one trawl on the representation. And if we are towing it, if we like turning, it will automatically take out or take in wire, so the trawl is always standing best possible. And then we have the Scanmar system. Since we are towing one trawl, we have a cat sensor, which by pure luck is red. on this trawl it's something like maybe 40 boxes before it turns red, so it doesn't mean that there's so much fish. And then we have the trawl doors. Right now we are in 127 meters of water, so the doors are approximately 15 meters above the seabed. And here we have the trawl eye. I have a feeling that something like this is fish, but you know, small fish that's just yummy for the fish we want to catch. Right now it have a little more than 7 meters, something like that. As you see, it's not so stable. Then we have our main echo sounder. It's a Simrad, and over here we have a Furuno echo sounder, and they are on different frequencies, so sometimes we can see fish on one and sometimes we can see fish on the other. And then we have a radar. We have the option to put a radar on this screen as well, but only one radar right now. Control here. And second ECDIS system. And TV screen that I don't use because it's Norwegian TV and they don't show anything good. And we have some fire alarm and emergency stops and a satellite telephone. And then we have this monster, a massage chair, and I was like thinking, that must be a joke, but it is actually really nice, and it also gets quite a use from the crew, so yes. And then finally, pretty much the most important thing of all, the coffee machine. Yes, in this boat we have a coffee machine in the wheelhouse, and I like it a lot. So that was it. More videos coming. I hope you liked it. Bye bye.